Good morning children. Welcome to the class of Hindi. How are you all? I hope all are fine and practicing well. And stay home, stay safe, that is compulsory. If you go outside, sanitize your hands and don't play and keep the distance and maintain all these things, okay? Keep in your mind and studies also important, no? You must have to practice this all, compulsory, okay? In previous classes, what I explained, what I taught means Varnamala, letters. In previous class, I explained 2-letter words. That one I am going to continue now. See, with the 2-letter words, more words are there. Okay, in your textbook, it is given some more words. Okay, here in previous class, we learn about aam, mango, anda, egg, ghar, house, khar, donkey, fun, snake, eek, sugarcane. By reading this all the words in Shabdam ko padho, it is given to read the following words. By joining what are the letters, if you practice this one, you can identify the letter and join the word easily. Otherwise, here if you are learning now itself, I am going to explain again what are the letters and which 2 letters are joined in that word and what is the particular sound and what is the meaning of that particular word I am going to explain today. Okay children? Now, what is there in our textbook now? Ga and Ja is given. Okay? With which 2 letters it is added? See? Ga plus Ja. What is that? Ga plus Ja. Gaj. What are the 2 letters hidden in that one? See? Ga plus Ja. I told you last letter with halant. Every letter is with halant. A sound is added, then only we can say Gaj. Understand? Now, Gaj means what is that? Elephant. You can explore by seeing this picture or that a word or knowing in English. Okay. Gaj means what is that? Elephant. Elephant is a wild animal. It lives in forest. It is also helping people to carry the loads, means load not, it is carrying us and or otherwise some are taking elephant ride also, elephants are carrying logs, means too much weight they will take and they will travel in jungles. Okay. Those who are living in jungles, means tribal people are living in that one, no. For them it is a very helpful animal to them. They are carrying the loads on this elephant and taking from one place to another. Okay, it is also a helpful animal. Domestic means we can't say it is domestic, it is a wild animal. We don't know the particular mood of that animal, it will attack us also. Okay, that's why it is a wild animal. Okay, next what is that? Buck. See? Ba plus Ka. What are the letters in this one? Hidden in this one? Ba. It is what is that? Ba plus Ka. Very good. Ba, Ka. Together if we join, what is the sound? Ba, Ka, Buck. Ba and Ka, Buck. Buck means crane. Buck means crane. It is not pulling here, there, that kind of not crane. This crane means a bird, a flying bird. It will eat the fishes. It will live in ponds, that water areas, and on that trees it will make a nest and it will fly from one place to another. That is a bird. It is a bird. Crane means bird. Buck. Buck means crane. Crane means bird. Now next what is the word? Coon. What is the word? Oon. Oo. What are the two letters hidden in this one? Oo plus na. Oon. Oo plus na. While writing, if we read, then we can easily identify the word. Oon means, what is that? Wool. Oon means wool. Oon means, what is that? Wool. With that, from where the wool is coming? Through the sheep. No, it is coming from the sheep. See, after taking the hair of the sheep, that will convert into a this kind of things, and after that how we are using this one? We are using as a to wear a sweater. No, sweaters, and with this one bags, they are making bags, wool bags, woolen cloths, blankets, this all they are making then with this wool. It is a helpful thing to us. It is coming through the sheep and sheep. Okay, wool means, what is that? Wool. Next, what is that? Ghat. Next, what is that? Ghat. Ghat means pot. Ghat means pot. Okay. What are the two letters hidden in this one? Gha. One is gha plus another one is ta. Together if we add, what is the word? Ghat. Gha plus ta. Ghat. Ghat means pot. Ghat means, what is that, children? Pot. Ghat means, what is that? Pot. Make this one make with a we are making with a clay thing, means clay. It is made up of clay. Then potters are making the pots. So many kinds of things they will made, a plate, a small jars, a small glass type. This all the things they are making, means different kinds of shapes they will give. This is a clay pot. Okay, pot means a clay pot. Not we are filling the water and drinking from this one. And in villages, women are carrying that water from one place to another on this one. They are keeping pot and another pot on that one, and some are dancing with that one also, and some are carrying the water from that one. Okay, next, ghat means pot. Pot after jhash. See, what are the two letters in that one? If we separate, then only we know the what is a particular letter and a word. Jha plus sha. What is the letter here? What are the letters given here? Jha and sha. Together if we add two sounds, make it then. Jhash. Jha plus sha. Jhash. Jhash means fish. Jhash means, what is that? Fish. Fish is a water animal. It lives in water, and some are eating also. No, it is having a high vitamin in that one. Means A vitamin it is there. For heart it is very good, and for eyes also it is very good, and high protein animal, high protein thing also. Then next, everybody likes that fish. Okay. Then next, one. What are the letters, children, in this one? Va plus na. One. Va plus na. One means forest. One means, what is that? Forest, where the wild animals live in that one. Okay, like tiger, elephant, lion, fox. These all the wild animals can live. Okay. Birds also same. This one that is a one. One means forest. What are the words I taught? See, gaj. Gaj means elephant. Buck means crane. Oon means wool. Ghat means pot. Jhash means fish. One means forest. Same in previous class. What is the what are the letters given there? No, same here also given. These two letters you can join and separate and read that word, and it is given in English also. If you read the word, you know more words. Okay, I am next class I will explain more words to you. Till that time, goodbye, and practice Post to your this all the words, no, this all the words practice 2 times and post to your concerned class group. Okay children, thank you.